Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a whole house clean with me. I love doing these for you guys and I love getting my house super clean. So today I'm gonna be doing a little bit of an extra deep cleaning motivation for you. So follow me along and let's get this house clean. Okay guys, so the very first thing I want to get done today, I want to get this living room cleaned up. So what I need to do to get this room right up, I need to clean up all these toys and I want to get this vacuum in here so I could sweep the floor. Don't mind my kids right now. They're just lounging around. It's the middle of the day, so they're just watching some TV while I try to get the house done. I absolutely love our rug, but it's almost impossible to get those perfect vacuum lines. Okay, moving right along, I'm moving over here to our little entryway / stairs area. I want to clean off my steps and I want to vacuum these stairs too. We get a lot of traffic up and down these steps, so I need to get these done. My little buddy's always right along here with me when I'm cleaning. Anybody else's kids like to play in the hallway upstairs? Oh my goodness, I have to check this all the time because you never know when there's going to be toys on the landing. Okay, so this is the last of the vacuuming, at least for right now. I just got to get this done up here. And I just want to take this moment to welcome you guys back and welcome if you are new here. And if you are new, my name is Ariel. I'm a mom of 3 littles, and over here on my channel I do cleaning motivation and mommy vlogs and cleaning and cooking. If you like that type of stuff, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to have you here with us. Alright, well, we're already up here. I'm going to go right into the bathroom and we're going to do a little bit of a deep cleaning in there too. I always start with cleaning off my toilet, so that way when I put my cleaner in the bowl, I will just let it sit until I'm done cleaning everything else. I also always make sure to clean the bottom rims of the toilet. When I have young boys in the house, you know what I mean. I'm done with this toilet, I'm going to be moving on to doing a really deep clean on my tub. Now for my tub, I'm going to be using Bon Ami. If you've seen any of my cleaning videos from before, you'll know that Bon Ami is something that I use in the kitchen a lot, but today I'm going to be using it in my tub. It is a non-toxic cleaner, and I'm not affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form, but I stand by their product because it is safe around children and pets, and it works really, really well. If you've never used Bon Ami before, I'll show you how to use it here. All I did first was rinse out the tub to make it a little damp. Then I just sprinkled on the Bon Ami all over the tub in the spots that really need a good cleaning. Now I'm just going to be going in with a semi-damp wash rag. It is barely even wet, but just enough for me to go in and scrub the whole tub. Now when I'm scrubbing the tub, I'm going all over the place to rub in the Bon Ami really good, especially in the spots that really need a deep cleaning. Alright, right here, if you take a really good look and see, you'll see like there's like a rim across the very bottom of my tub, and this rim was covered in like soap scum. Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. But I didn't even have to push really hard to scrub this clean. With the Bon Ami on it, I just pushed a little bit, and you could see it come right off in this little circle. Alright, now that I went around scrubbing the entire tub with my rag, now I'm going to rinse my rag out really good of the Bon Ami and rinse the rest of the tub out with the rag. And then I'm going to be going in and spraying water all over the tub to make sure that all the Bon Ami and everything is nice and rinsed out. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how nice and clean this tub turned out after just rinsing it out from using the Bon Ami. It is so nice and shiny and perfectly clean.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget you're right.
Alright, now that I got the tub all nice and clean, I just came back over to finish cleaning up this toilet. I scrubbed it up really good, and I'm going to be using some toilet paper to wipe it down. And then I will be done in the bathroom, and I'm just going to restock my toilet paper in the back of the toilet. And I can link this down below for you guys too. I get my Scott toilet paper in a pack of 80. I also am now going downstairs to be using these wood wipes I got. I got these from the Dollar Tree. I do not even know if they still even have them, but I think that they work really, really well, and they do really good for being only $1. Alright guys, here's a real quick look at how well these little wipes work on the woodwork. Alright, now we're moving right on into my dining room. This isn't a deep clean, but this is a daily clean. I need to get this table finished cleaned off, and I'm going to be cleaning the table off with a sponge, and then I need to get my vacuum in here and sweep. One of the most satisfying things to me is a nice, clean dining room table. How about you guys? I usually use a broom in my dining room, but today this vacuum is getting a good workout. Alright, now we're moving into the last room of the house for me to get clean, and I am bringing my vacuum again into the kitchen, and we're going to sweep all the crumbs off the top of the stove. Alright, now once I get the top of the stove vacuumed off, I'm going to be so embarrassed here. We're moving the stove and we're going to clean between the stove and my cabinets. It is so bad, you guys. Okay, so before I even get between the stove and the cabinets, I'm cleaning the top of the stove off with my sponge before it gets really dirty. So I'm going to have to tackle between my stove and the cabinets. How I'm doing it is with some Bon Ami. Here it is again. I'm using it again, but this time in my kitchen. And I'm just going to sprinkle some on top of my sponge with a little bit of Dawn soap and some warm water. And it's going to tackle all of this mess. Alright guys, a show of hands, drop me an emoji down below, your favorite emoji. Let me know, do you guys need to clean between your stove and cabinets too? Don't make me feel bad, it's only me. I know I get many questions about my purple gloves, so I will just let you guys know now. I will link these down below in the description box. I bought these off of Amazon. I got a pack of 4, and these are really nice ones. They are an off-brand this time, but they're still the infamous purple color that I always use. Alright, while I'm down here, I decided I'm just gonna clean the floor off here too. That would be underneath the stove with my sponge. It was a pretty nasty, so I'm gonna scrub this now. Alright, so I was not able to move this back myself. I had to get some muscle help. Alright, now that I got the stove moved back, I'm going to put the grates back on and dry off the top. It is still wet from when I cleaned it. Then after this, I'm going to show you guys how I deep clean my coffee pot, and that is going to be the end. Okay, so how I clean my coffee pot, I first need to dump out my old coffee from this morning. Sorry guys, I should have done this earlier, but I'll do it now. I'm gonna rinse out my pot here with hot water, and then I'm going to fill this up to about the 6th line, and then I'm gonna put about a cup of white vinegar in with it, and I'm gonna run this through the coffee pot 3 times the same water. Then after that, I'm going to run it through about another 2 times with regular water. But don't worry, I'm not going to show you guys the whole process, but I wanted to tell you how I did it. And it works really, really well. It really cleans out my coffee pot, and it's been keeping it nice and clean. Enjoyed that deep cleaning whole house motivation, and if you like these types of videos, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. I would enjoy to have you here with us. We'll see you next time. Bye.